Stop typing long, messy URLs on your FireStick remote. I'm about to give you the secret codes that install any streaming app in literally seconds. No long links, no frustration, just type 5 numbers and you're done. Let's go. Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the complete downloader codes list for 2026. These are short numeric codes that work inside the downloader app by AFTV News. Instead of typing a full website address, you just enter a short code and the app automatically loads the download link. For example, instead of typing some crazy long URL, you just enter 5 or 6 numbers, hit go, and the app downloads instantly. Simple as that. Grab the downloader app from the Amazon App Store if you don't have it yet. All right, let's get into the codes. Number 1, IPTV players. Starting with IPTV players because these are the most searched apps on this entire list. TiviMate, code 272483. The king of IPTV players, version 5.2, supports M3U playlists, extreme codes, Stalker Portal, has recording, parental controls, multi-view, and favorites. If you're an IPTV user, this is genuinely the best player available. NuvioTV, code 7042930, brand new media player for Android TV, uses the Stremio add-on system for movies, series, and live TV discovery. Clean interface, everything in one place. Still in beta, but already really impressive. XCIPTV, clean, remote-friendly IPTV player with EPG support, catch-up, favorites, parental controls, and multi-screen viewing. Great free alternative to TiviMate. By the way, if you've just installed TiviMates or any of these IPTV players we just covered, TiviMate, XCIPTV, Smarters, any of them, we've got you completely covered. Complete channel package with thousands of channels. Drop us a message on WhatsApp. Link is right there in the description. We respond fast and get you sorted same moment. Number 2, sports apps. Now the sports apps because this is where it gets really good. SportzX, code 1174244. Over 200 live sports channels worldwide, football, cricket, everything. Extremely reliable streams with a floating player mode so you can multitask. DofuStream, all-in-one sports app with live matches, real-time scores, standings, and odds. Perfect for US sports fans who want everything in one place. Yacine TV, the go-to app for Arab sports fans. Major international football leagues, entertainment channels, and kids content. Requires YTV player companion app. Pix Media, free live TV focused on sports with movies, series, and documentaries too. Built specifically for streaming devices, not phones. You'll need Woofy Player installed to watch. Now, movies and TV shows. These are the most stable free VOD apps available right now. BeeTV, the most stable and reliable free streaming app available today. Movies, TV shows, live TV, all in one interface. Best cinema HD replacement out there. Only downside is ads, but install AdGuard to fix that instantly. TeaTV, one of the oldest VOD apps still going strong with regular updates. Massive content library, plus M3U playlist support if you want live TV too. OnStream, no sign-up required, autoplay feature, offline downloads, subtitles, HD playback. Perfect for people who just want to click and watch immediately. Viva TV, built for speed and simplicity. Clean interface, easy navigation, great for FireStick and Android TV users who want something straightforward. MobiFlix, same developer as OnStream. Familiar design, similar content, slightly different interface. If you liked OnStream, you'll love this too. Syncler, most feature-rich app on this list. Tracked support, external players, multiple profiles, custom packages. Takes longer to set up, but delivers a seriously polished experience. Flixorent uses Torrentio to scrape streaming links automatically. No extra add-ons needed. Works best with reel-to-grid for premium link quality. And finally, the open-source media players. Stremio, the most legitimate free streaming platform available. Add-on system brings together movies, series, and live TV from multiple sources. Works on FireStick, Android TV, and Android devices. Completely above board. Plex, code 524308. Not just a streaming app, a complete home media server, plus 300+ free live TV channels and thousands of free movies, completely legitimate and one of the best free platforms in 2026. And before we wrap up, remember if you need a playlist code for any of these IP players we just covered, TiviMate, XCIPTV, Smarters, any of them, we've got you completely covered. Complete channel package with thousands of channels. Drop us a message on WhatsApp. Link is right there in the description. We respond fast and get you sorted same moment. If this saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more streaming guides every week. Drop a comment letting me know which app you're installing first. See you in the next one.